going to start recording now, and the microphone's working, the camera's working, the lights are on, more or less. I'm not doing anything great to make myself look beautiful here. I can't improve on perfection. Let's go on to, let's look at the desktop where we really want to be today. Stop this nonsense. What do you call this thing? What are we looking at right here? This is a plastic model airplane kit made by these guys. Not sure how it's pronounced. Not really important. This is a great big huge box, which kind of explains partly why I can't get it in the frame, as we professionals say. Plastic model airplane kit hobby is one that I've been doing all my life, and I've been around for, let's see, 30 years, probably. So that's a long time, and we're going to be looking at the results, the outcome. If you don't use an airbrush, spray painting in the plastic model airplane hobby is pretty much considered required. Airbrushes are practically stapled to your forehead when you go to the hobby store. They just give you one. They almost throw them at you. The things are getting to be so dirt cheap, it's ridiculous. So everybody buys an airbrush right away and they go to work on it. Except me. I don't use airbrushes. And of course, there are certain things in the world of plastic model airplane kits that you cannot do without an airbrush. For example, you have the mottled finish of our friend Heinz, the happy German fighter ace here. This ME-109 has what's called mottling along the sides, and that can't be done without an airbrush. Except this one was. Oh, wait. This one was done without an airbrush. Now, right now, it looks like a magic trick because, you know, it's at a distance. You can't really see what's going on. But the beauty of my hyper-focused camera here, which is a bit of a pain in the behind, is I can bring this up here. I can get this up here so that it's kind of ridiculous. You can see all the little bits, all of them, any mistake, you can see it all right here. That's the whole point. The point of this channel is to not only show you what I'm doing and how I'm doing it, but to allow you to see it right up close. And I mean up close. I can move this camera in a way that's completely and totally out there in space. And you can see exactly what I'm up to here. You'll be able to see exactly what I'm doing as I'm doing it. Far better than I can see it. I mean, really, this is pretty amazing. I'm surprised some of the stuff I'm seeing here. So it's not going to be magical. There's no magic involved. Let's take a look at another item that you can't do. It's those Navy planes from the 1930s. You know the ones I mean. Got a spray paint. Except for this one. This one was done with no spray painting at all. Completely brushed. How was it possible? Once again, you want to get up close. I want to show you exactly what I'm doing. We don't have any, there's no secrets between us. It's open, all open. No secrets. And there it is. Whatever it is that you think I'm doing, you'll be able to see me do it in real time. Up close. How about one of those camouflage jobs like the Spitfires and the, you know, British. Can you do that with a brush? And get the feathered edge? Need you ask? We got the feathering going on here. We got some feathering going on. But once again, you can get right up close to it. Right up in there. You can see what I did to create this effect. And you can see me do it in future videos. Yeah. It's too bad, though, that, with all that skill and expertise, there's still one thing that can't be done no matter what you do. You can't get a natural metal. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Now, what happened here? What happened here? We got a metal finish. Metal finish, totally brushed. Well, if you're intrigued by how I did this and you want to see how I do these insane, magic tricks, and you want to see them up close with all the hoo-ha stripped away so you can see exactly what's happening, then you probably want to subscribe to my channel and become a slavish devotee and send me a lot of money. And we'll work out a way that you can do that. Or you can send, equivalents or something like stamps. I don't know. I hope I can't get in trouble on YouTube for saying something like that. I don't know. Don't send stamps. Send stamps. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to stop recording. I'm going to talk to you later. My name is Dan. Ciao.